Hello, hello. Okay. So, hi everybody. Today we're just going to pick up this minimum subarrays in the valid split. So, you're given an integer array norms. Splitting of an array integer array norms into subarray is valid if the greatest common divisor of the first and last element of each subarray is greater than 1. What does this mean? The greatest common divisor of the first and the last element of an array subarray is greater than 1. Common division means that the an item that can divide the first and last item is greater than 1, and each element of norms belongs to the each element of norms belongs to exactly one subarray. Okay, return the minimum number of subarrays in a valid subarray splitting of norms. If a valid subarray splitting is not possible, return -1. So let's see what topics are covered here. Number theory, dynamic programming. Okay. So if we're given norms 2, 6, 3, 4, 3, and 2, we can create a valid split in the following way: 2, 6, 3, 4, 3. The starting element of the first is 2 and the ending is 6. I'm actually not in the mood for this one. Okay, we can create a valid split in the following way: 2 and 6 and 3 and 4 and 3. The starting element of the first subarray is 2 and the ending, the greatest common divisor is 2, which is greater than 1. It's 3 and 3. Okay. So output 2, 5 and 3. 1, 2, 1, -1, 2 and 1. So it is impossible to create a valid split. So first things first, first things first, let's say the starting element of the first subarray is 2. What if it was the other way around? What if it was 6 and 2? I think what I can do here is first take the, what did was it say? The minimum number of, in a minute, the greatest common divisor of the first and last element that is greater than 1. So the greatest common divisor of 2 and 3. Is it coincidental that we have is it coincidental that we have the first item as a divisor or not? Okay, let's see the hints. Find the minimum number of subarrays needed to validly split prefix of the input array A. Find the minimum number of subarrays needed to validly split. Think about dynamic programming transition. To be honest, dynamic programming is not something that I have dynamic programming is not something that I have looked at, to be honest. So let's just see solutions to this in JavaScript. Let's see it in Python. Okay, so I'll just take some minutes to watch to learn about dynamic programming and come back to this video. Now this looks to me like a very difficult question, and it's in the topic of dynamic programming. And I really do not have any experience in this in any of these topics. So yeah, we can let it pass. Alpha.